Tabuk
Yes.
Kurang gaza tu no, sari kaham tu no, ini ceng ऐसा kurang kurang pandai pelajar क्या sini di bawah foundation pak.
Developer Function Director.
Okay, probably this is first time, so you are a little confused. So I'll say so. These are GISF leaders of Bangalore. GISF people of good and happy. More of self-responsibility now in the meeting for them. And we had a fruitful discussion. In future, also, students will challenges or fight avoid time. I want to try to move. Tripura People Foundation with the collaboration of KISF, GSF, Haiman Saksa, students of the board of some board of social service. We don't want students to get disturbed. Student wing, board of GSF, next, I request those students of Bangalore first of all presently. This come forward and share your challenges. You know, college challenges or face like hospital challenges or face like no opportunity or request effect abona poimo bus come up no vocally and no easy express plan ke chulu puro plan complaint phayawai chulu direct khalai go kham ki sawai samu money and no permission. So complaint has to come from your end. Points has to come from your end. The challenges has to be pointed from all the students. Baki children, not only case for studying, we recently solved a couple of cases. We are hoping the future of our case also. So we request to Praiga not a challenge share but yet they did not. But I believe the next student and Jotaro body challenge share and some body challenge no solve the you want to say something? Please don't feel shy. It's all yours.
So ini first meeting like about the asset code.
Introduce your team members.
Me myself, I'm Hamza Devarma. I'm Hamza Devarma. Bini mong kage Smile, bini mong ke Rahul Jamatia, bini mong ke Mukesh, wo mong ke Salkazan Jamatia. Kaya channel no tayo pula meeting, discussion kailega, discuss meeting mo rin bare, kung planning of kailega, discuss kung ano kaya wo challenges, like kung samuro planning bare, decide kailega. So,
at least I'm happy this base has come up to stand for our Tiprasa. Tiprasa no sumbu ke develop each college or some coordinate point of contact, and this student leaders will be in contact with them. Problem I need to know because practice college Bangalore so immediately information by but in case no college coordinate lot of discussion interview and let's take this point to TISF team, the promoter, the People Foundation team. Okay, this is some kind of effect points online. So I request all the students studying in different colleges in Bangalore, please come forward to stand as Thansa, to stay together and grow ourselves and develop ourselves for the unity of our person. If you guys have any suggestions, any questions, any complaints towards our work, you can definitely comment on this video. Suggestions, we are open to accept any type of suggestions. Please come forward with suggestions. We will accept and we will try to rectify if we have any negative points on our work. We will definitely rectify that. We are looking forward for the coming New Year students to save them from any type of issues. Thank you very much. Turan Kulumka, Kambai, Hansa Kisa, Rubela Tibrasa, Hansa.